I was testing a theory, then built a spacecraft to use the Earth's gravity to fly very fast, breaking speed records until a wormhole was shown. Then I hurled through it, and my theory was blown. So many alien encounters in a living ship, not alone in the universe. I'll give the peacekeepers a slip. The translator microbes aren't working as we travel through space. A way home is what I look for, but first I must fix Farscape. I first met Dargo, then His Highness Rigel. Also Zahn were all stealing Moya. Good or bad, I couldn't tell. They said they would help me if I killed the Peacekeeper. I learned her name was Erin, and I thought we would need her. Yes, many alien encounters, and Moya the living ship. Crockers don't matter, let's give the Scarin the slip. I don't think I'm ever getting home, this must be my fate. I'll use this alien technology to finally fix Farscape. So we started a galactic war, and for that I'm so sorry. Scorpius put a clone in my brain, he's a puka named Harvey. I've fallen in love with Erin, and she said, oh, I feel it too. Then we laughed for a moment, and I said I never knew that so many alien encounters are fighting this Peacekeeper war. We've lost so many friends and foes, I couldn't keep score. I want to meet my parents. Come on, Erin, it would be great. Let's leave this part of the galaxy. Come with me on Farscape. No more alien encounters and getting caught in their games. I really miss chocolate. I think I'm going insane. I even found a quiet little planet. Let's not hesitate. You're pregnant with my baby. Let's fly away on Farscape. Yes, there's too many encounters that's causing us pain. Never eating food cubes. Come on, Harvey, go away. I've got to end the fighting and scrap my plans to escape. Soon it would all be over, and I can still fly Farscape.